to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamitha. I am doing a series of herbs in alphabetical order. I go down the list of the alphabet and talk to you about what the herb does, how it benefits your body, and how to take it. I am a family herbalist and a nutritional herbalist. I like to talk to people about how we can heal our bodies naturally with what nature has given us. I like to call it God's pharmacy. And it is amazing, amazing, amazing. I am currently still going to school to become a master herbalist, and then I'm going to pursue to become a naturopath. So that is my journey. All right, go ahead and grab a piece of paper and pencil. Let's take some notes. I'll put everything up on the screen. I'll also put down in the description box as well what we are talking about. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and also ding the little bell so you know when I make a new post. Our herb for today is Arnica, also known as Arnica montana. It's from the mountain regions of the United Kingdom. It has yellow flowers, and its other common names are mountain arnica, wolf's bane, and mountain tobacco. It's been used for hundreds of years for many medicinal uses. Now we're going to take a look at some of the benefits of Arnica and how to use it. Arnica is really good for inflammation, so if you have any injuries or any strains from exercising, you can apply an Arnica gel directly to where the pain is, and it will help reduce the swelling. Also, it's an organic anti-inflammatory in the plant that will also loosen up your muscles and help the inflammation around the area as well. And it's great for people who are athletes and those who work out, go to the gym. And since it's good for inflammation, people with arthritis can use it too. They can apply a gel or a cream directly to the joints and rub it in, and it will really help with the swelling with that as well. I also like to use Arnica for sore muscles, like if you have like back aches or knee aches, people with joint pain all over their body, it's really good for that inflammation. It's also good for internal bleeding, not necessarily as if you're bleeding like inside like your organs or you've been shot, but if you bump your leg and you're going to have bruising, it really works with getting into the skin to help with the bruising. And because it works below the skin, also using it for people who suffer with psoriasis, acne, eczema. It also helps with the inflammation because it has antimicrobial properties in it. So if you suffer from any of these skin conditions, then you'll want to just apply a small amount to the area. Again, you don't want to use it every day because it can irritate your skin. You can also use Arnica in an extract to prevent baldness, premature balding, hair loss, and you can have it in your soaps, your shampoos, and it's rich in nutrients that bind to your hair and keep it looking younger and makes it longer, and it promotes stimulation for new hair growth. And because it really helps with dry, flaky skin, you can also use this if you have dandruff issues. You can also use this to moisturize your skin if it's dry, but you don't want to slather this all over your body because, again, it can irritate your skin if you use it for a prolonged period of time. Okay, and the last one is the postpartum bleeding, and this is really an undiscussed risk to a mother about postpartum bleeding, and research have shown that by using a homeopathic Arnica that you can reduce the bleeding and help keep the mother healthy. Here's a picture on how you can identify Arnica montana. You can pause the video and take notes here. Now we are going to take a look at some of the side effects of this herb. Arnica montana is not intended for oral consumption. You don't want to take it inside because it's very, very toxic. You can apply it topically. There's lots of benefits as we've already talked about. but you want to talk to your healthcare professional before you use this herb. Also, too, if you're using it on your skin, you don't want to use it for an extended period of time because it can cause irritation. All right, that is it for this herb. Hopefully I'll get one posted again in a few more days. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the comments down below. Also hit the like button, share button, subscribe button, the little bell, so that way you know when I make another video. All right, you guys, you have a great day, and let's all get healthy together. Bye. Look into my eyes, I can see. Can you see? They always say your eyes are the nipples of your face. You will not see my nipples,